Hey students, it's Mr. Sansada. Tomorrow, as you know, you're going to be getting lockers, and for some of you, this will be your first time opening Stimson lockers, which are a little different than lockers you've opened in the past. So we're just going to give you a quick tutorial how to do it. Of course, if you get stuck tomorrow, feel free to ask your teacher or any of the other adults in the hallways, or maybe an older student. Like most locker combinations, you have three numbers. The combination for this particular locker is 21, 31, 5. All right, so what that means is you're gonna start with 21 to the right, 31 to the left, and then 5 back to the right. But there is a specific way you have to do it. The first thing you should do when you come to a locker is just give the dial 3 or 4 spins to the right. You don't have to land on 0. You don't have to press it. You just gotta spin it a few times. Okay, once you've spinned it a few times, it's ready to accept the combination. Like I said before, the first number is 21. You're gonna spin around to the right, which is clockwise, to 21. And you stop. Again, you don't have to press it or anything like that. When you go to the left, the trick is you have to do a complete circle first before you hit the next number. Our second number is 31. So you do a complete circle. You got to pass that 21 from the first number, and then you stop on 31 for the second number. Okay, now for our last number, we go back to the right. Our last number is 5. You do not have to do a complete circle this time. You go right to the 5. Okay, here's what makes Stimson's locker. What makes Stimson's locker different than other lockers. You get to the 5, nothing happens. Okay, what actually happens on the inside of this locker. This locker now becomes like a doorknob. You continue turning it past that 5. You'll feel it get tight, and you'll hear it click. You keep turning until you can't turn anymore. Then you grab on the top and you pull, and your locker is open. Okay, do it one more time without stopping, just so you can see. 21 to the right, full circle to the left, stop on the second number, 31, immediately to the last number, and then again, it's a doorknob. You continue turning. When it stops, you pull. Good luck, Stimson.